Hi guys, my name is Chef Aesthetic Cookieh and welcome back to my kitchen where we turn simple ingredients into beautiful food. In today's vlog, I'm making sticky BBQ spare ribs stuffed with creamy spinach. I'll be sharing my journey as a chef and a little story about myself. I'm a culinary graduate sharing my chef journey from home through aesthetic cooking videos. Please follow my journey for more recipes, chef tips, and kitchen stories. I actually graduated from a culinary school in Dubai last year with a level 3 advanced diploma. I thought after graduating I would immediately be working in a big kitchen wearing my chef jacket every day, living the chef life. But unfortunately, life doesn't always go exactly how we plan it to be. Right now, I'm a stay-at-home chef or stay-at-home daughter, a trained chef who isn't working in a restaurant. But honestly, sometimes that can be very frustrating because you work so hard to be a chef. But I realized that just because I'm not working in a big kitchen, I'm not working in a restaurant kitchen, does not mean that I have to stop cooking or showing my passion. That's actually why I started this page. So this channel is basically my journey, cooking at home, experimenting the recipes, sharing chef tips, hopefully making people smile along the way. Also, let's be honest guys, sometimes cooking is better than jolo. Food won't break your heart unless you burn it. I actually started loving cooking when I went to stay with my aunt. That's where I discovered that cooking was more than making food. It became my therapy. Whenever I was stressed or overwhelmed, the kitchen became my peaceful place. Every time I visited my parents or grandparents, cooking would just make everything feel easier. Food has always been my way of bringing people together, making everyone smile at family gatherings. My signature dish has always been lasagna, especially when we have visitors. Everyone always asks for it, and seeing people enjoy my food is what made me fall in love with cooking even more. I'm also grateful for my mentor, Selina, shout out to her, Nanqobile, who guided me into my chef journey until I was ready. Together, we even started our catering company, Fantasy Food. Please follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. Yes, I'm a caterer, and definitely please book me for your events. I'm really thankful for her mentorship and support, and the supportive father and family. Most importantly, I'm grateful for God for guiding me through it all. So today I'm making sticky BBQ spare ribs with cream spinach. One thing about ribs, they need patience with a low heat and very slow. Maybe that's the same advice we should use in life, or maybe just also in relationships actually. Anyways, welcome to my kitchen, and please, thank you so much for being part of my journey. I hope you enjoy the entire vlog, and if you have any questions, please comment and I'll respond immediately. As for now, please comment, share, like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be also dropping more videos on my YouTube channel. Same username, Chef Aesthetic Cookieh, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and on my TikTok. Please follow me, and promise for more amazing vlogs, and I'll try to also improve better according to how you guys want it to be delivered. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.